This question is from electrochemistry class 12th in text question number 3.1. This question says, how would you determine standard electrode potential of the system Mg2 plus Mg? जब भी किसी सिस्टम का हमें स्टैंडर्ड इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल कैलकुलेट करना होता है तो हम इसको विद रेस्पेक्ट टू हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोड कंसिडर कर रहे होते हैं। तो चलिए इसका आंसर कैसे लिखेंगे। वी कैन डिटरमाइन standard electrode potential of system Mg2 plus Mg with respect to standard hydrogen electrode. For this purpose, standard hydrogen electrode is kept at anode and magnesium electrode is kept at cathode. So let us do this. So this is your anode and this is your cathode, which is hydrogen electrode. Okay, and these both are connected. Okay, and this is magnesium electrode and it is standard hydrogen electrode. Okay, here you have taken solution MgSO4 and here HCl. Okay, so this is kept at anode. Okay, anode is negative terminal and cathode, it is cathode. So representation for this cell will be, for this cell magnesium is converting to magnesium ion, so magnesium 2 plus ion, then here salt bridge and hydrogen ion is converting to H2 gas, where at platinum electrode. Okay, so this cell can be represented in this way. Okay, but if you have to calculate standard electrode potential for this system, then you will write E naught cell potential for this cell, okay, equal to E नॉट। पहले हम यहाँ कौन सा वाला लिखेंगे, कैथोड वाला। तो कैथोड के लिए क्या लिखेंगे, H आयन इसमें कन्वर्ट हो रहा H2 में, माइनस एनोड में मैग्नीशियम Mg2 प्लस Mg। ओके, अब स्टैंडर्ड हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल की वैल्यू क्या होती है बेटा, 0। तो यू विल राइट E नॉट सेल इक्वल टू 0 माइनस E naught Mg2 plus Mg. Okay, so what will be the standard electrode potential for system, this one, this will be equal to the E cell, but the value will be negative. Okay, so in this way you can calculate. Thank you बच्चों।